How will the coronavirus affect my Chapter 13 plan? I'm going to answer that question for you in this video. Hi, I'm Bankruptcy Attorney Dan Scott, and many of my clients work in Sevier County. They work at amusements and restaurants and bars. And I've filed Chapter 13 plans for them, Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases for them, confirmed a Chapter 13 plan to try to protect their house, so to keep their house so that they could live there, so they'd have a place for their family. And then come March, Sevier County gets squeezed down to nothing because of the coronavirus. If you're working in a bar, a restaurant, if you're working in a hotel, if you're working in an amusement, you're not working. For some of my folks, they did have employers that were able to pay them a little while, but we're at the end of April now and we're not open yet. And so they can't pay their payments, whether they were paying payments by month, by week, or bi-weekly, because they're not getting paid. So what happened is every period that passes, they get further and further behind. And so the calls I get, and I get them almost every day, what are we going to do about my Chapter 13? Because you see, I've saved the house in the Chapter 13. I've kept the house from being in foreclosure. I've kept the car from getting repossessed. But now we're not making the plan payments because, after all, there is no money. And so the question comes, what can we do about my Chapter 13 case? Well, we recognize that in the business, in the bar, that we're going to have to do some things in the Chapter 13 world in order to help people save their house, save their car, and proceed with their bankruptcy case. And so what's most likely going to happen is we're going to file a motion to extend or modify the plan that they've filed so that we can make up these payments over time. There are some people that we would modify the plan and we wouldn't extend it because their case did not require it because of the circumstances of the case. But most of the plans will have to be extended. Fortunately, in the Kerrs Act that was passed by Congress, the very first bill, it included a provision that you could extend the Chapter 13 plan all the way up to 7 years. The longest plan before that act was 5 years. Now, I can tell you my folks are not going to get excited about extending their plan to 7 years, and certainly we're hoping that we won't have to do that, but we don't know how long we'll be unemployed, how long we won't have payroll. And so we do have the ability to extend the plan. So if you're watching and you've got a Chapter 13 case and you're not paying your plan payments, all is not lost. We've got a system to help with that. But you kind of got to get back where you know when you're going to get paid. Are you going back to the same job, or are you going back to a different job? Are you getting paid the same money or different money, less or more? And then we can figure out what to do with your case. I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, would you subscribe to our channel? And that way we can let you know when we shoot new videos. We do that pretty much all the time. Thanks for watching.